All right, guys, so we are in the 2-week study plan for macroeconomics, and I'm going to break this down for you real short, real sweet. And after I'm done, you're going to feel relieved because everything's going to be nice and organized for you. You're going to have a nice little guide to follow, and you're going to have a really great starting point. After these 2 weeks, I promise you, you're going to blow this exam out of the water. Take my word for it. So Monday through Friday is pretty straightforward. You have your required reading. These are all chapters from the OpenStax textbook, and they correspond to the College Board breakdown to the T. All right, so everything you read here is exactly what's on your breakdown, i.e. exactly what's on your exam. When you're reading these chapters, please, I want you to take notes. I want you to really understand what it is that you're reading, okay? It's my job as a service that I'm providing to you to put this information in front of you and organize it in a way that's easy to follow and easy to understand. It's your job to put the work in, study, so that you can get the passing score that you want. Okay, I can't do that part for you. You got to put the work in. All right, so please make sure you're reading these chapters, guys. I promise it's only going to help you. So with the flashcards and the study guide, all right, I'll make this real simple. There's 5 sections in the flashcard modules. I want you to go through one section every day. Okay, it doesn't matter which one you go through. I don't really care as long as you go through one a day. For example, if you start on Monday, on Tuesday, make sure you review what you did on Monday, so on and so forth. So when you get to Friday, go over that section and also make sure you're going over the other sections. All right. And you can also break it up on the weekend too. It's totally up to you. Just remember, the more work you put in, the more hours you put in, the higher your chances are of passing this exam. Okay, guys. So that's week 1.